ShowHype AI has just been released, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this exciting new AI software. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly how it can help you streamline your workflow and boost productivity like never before, so make sure to watch all the way through. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First things first, ShowHype AI is making a huge splash in the digital marketing world. It's an all-in-one tool designed to help marketers, content creators, and business owners leverage AI to grow their brands. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, generate content faster, or analyze data more effectively, ShowHype AI offers the solutions that can save you hours of work every single week. And the best part? You can try it out completely free by clicking the first link below. One of the standout features of ShowHype AI is its ability to generate hyper-targeted content for your audience. The software uses advanced algorithms to understand your niche and create content that's highly relevant. If you've been struggling to keep up with the content demands of social media or your website, this tool might be the game changer you've been looking for. ShowHype AI not only writes content for you, but it tailors it to be SEO friendly, which means more traffic and engagement with minimal effort. Next, ShowHype AI offers real-time analytics, something that many other AI tools still don't have. This feature lets you track the performance of your content and campaigns in real time, so you can make adjustments on the fly. Whether you're A/B testing different headlines or measuring audience engagement, this software provides all the data you need to optimize your marketing strategy. Another key feature is the built-in automation. ShowHype AI can automate tasks that would typically take up hours of your day. From scheduling posts to responding to customer queries, it frees up your time for more strategic tasks. And as we all know, time is money, especially in digital marketing. What sets ShowHype AI apart from other AI tools is its ease of use. The interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly, making it accessible even to people who aren't tech-savvy. If you've been hesitant to dive into AI because of the learning curve, ShowHype AI is designed with you in mind. Now, for those of you who are big on customizability, you'll love this. ShowHype AI allows you to fine-tune the software to match your specific needs. Whether you're running a small blog or a large-scale e-commerce store, this tool can adapt to fit your business model. It's incredibly flexible and works for businesses of all sizes. Another thing I want to mention is ShowHype AI's collaboration tools. Whether you're working solo or with a team, this software makes it easy to collaborate. You can share projects, assign tasks, and get feedback in real time, which is invaluable when you're managing multiple campaigns or content creation projects simultaneously. Finally, ShowHype AI is built with scalability in mind. Whether you're a freelancer just getting started or a growing business looking for more robust solutions, this software can scale with you. As your business needs change, ShowHype AI adapts to meet them, so you're never stuck with a tool that can't keep up. So, to wrap it up, ShowHype AI offers a comprehensive set of tools that can save you time, increase your productivity, and improve your digital marketing efforts. If you're looking for the best just-released AI software, this is definitely one to check out. Again, try it for free using the first link in the description below. If you're interested in exploring more AI software options, I've included a list of my top recommended tools in the description, all of which you can try for free. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the ones that consistently deliver the best results. Thanks for watching.